be friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you already know what I'm finna say. Subscribe, because why not? Like, you already clicked on this video, you already watching this video. You might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn and post notifications on so you can be notified when I drop another video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. So yeah, in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I made these two bra tops. Reworked Nike bra tops, and these are cute. I know it's getting closer to fall, getting closer to colder weather, but it's not that cold yet. You can still wear these before it gets too cold. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a shirt, a Nike shirt from the thrift store. I think it was a size extra large. Okay, so I made a stencil. I'm going to show y'all how I measured my chest area to know how big I wanted the bra. So basically, I got my stencil. I'm gonna put my measurements on the screen, and I used my stencil and cut out 2 triangles. No, I cut out 4 triangles from this shirt. And after I cut out those 4 triangles, I made sure they like fit over my, my chest area. And after I cut those 4 triangles out, I cut out 3 straps. One super long one, the one that's gonna be tied around my stomach, and then 2 straps so super long one, and then 2 like small to medium. If you watch my other videos, you already know how to make straps. So after I cut out the 3 straps, I folded them in half inside out and sewed them. And then after I sewed them, just took a safety pin, put it at the end, and pushed it through the hole to get the good side facing out. And after you have all the straps good side facing out, you have all the pieces you need for your shirts. Okay. So you want to take the 2 triangles, have one of the triangles good side facing up on the table, and then on top of that triangle, you want to add in your strap, your shoulder strap. You want to have a little piece sticking at the top of the triangle, and then the rest of the string going towards the bottom. And then you want to lay your next triangle good side facing down on top and pin around it. but you want to leave a small hole at the bottom where you don't sew. Okay, so after I pinned everything, I drew a line to show y'all where I'm going to stop sewing. I'm not going to sew across the line, but I'm going to sew until I get to that line. So I'm going to sew until I get to that line, and then I'm going to sew a line across, so I can have two opening parts for the strap that goes around my stomach. And after I have that, I'm going to sew everything around the triangle. Now I'm going to once everything is sewed, you want to take the string that's hanging out at the bottom and pull it through so the good side can be facing out. All you need to do is string your long strap through the bottom. And once you string it through, you're really done. You're really done. And the hole that you left out to pull the shoulder strap through, you can either sew that or glue it, and I just glued it. And after I did all that, here's the final result.
It's not a game, it's a redskin.
This is dumb cute and very simple. I know it's hard to explain, but if you when you're watching the video, very self-explanatory. This is very easy, very cute. Hurry up and make it before it gets too cold so you can wear it. So yeah. Okay, on to the next. Now this is just cute. Too cute. So first I started off by taking the same stencil I used for my first bra or my second bra. Cut out two triangle pieces, only two triangle pieces. The stencil I was using, I was going to use for the actual triangle part, but I cut it too close to the Nike sign and it didn't look right. So yeah, so I just cut out two plain triangles. And after I cut out the two plain triangles, I took some, I don't know what these called, but I guess straps. I took some straps from Hobby Lobby, and I had some left over from my dog harness, and I just cut them evenly to fit around each triangle. But you want to leave a strap in the front that's longer in the front, so you can have enough strap to add the clamp to. And you want to have enough strap on the side. You want to have a decent amount of strap on both sides, an excess amount of strap on both sides. So excess amount of strap on this side and excess amount of strap on this side, so you can attach the back strap, and then so you can attach the clamp strap. you also want to pin a strap. And I did not use measurements. Yeah, I just added straps at the top too, but no measurements. So, and after I had all the straps, I just sew around the triangle. After everything is sewed, you're pretty much done. It's your option of whether you want to leave the 2 hanging pieces I left down. Like, I don't really know. I haven't tried it on yet, so I don't really know if that looks good, but I might take that part out. I might not. I might keep it in. I don't know. But when you get done with the triangle, you should have 2 excess pieces right here, so you can put the clamps on. And all you want to do is put the strap through the clamp, pin it, and sew it. And if you don't want the clamps, you can just sew the excess pieces together. After you have the clamps pinned together, you want to add a back strap. And all I did was measure around my back and cut out the strap, pin it to the back straps. Okay, so with the stencil piece I used, I couldn't use the stencil piece, so I cut out the Nike sign, and all I did was glue the Nike sign on one of the triangle pieces. I showed y'all how I was doing the neck part up here, the strap up, the neck strap up here, but I ended up doing it different. I'm going to show y'all how I end up doing it. But yeah, and after all that is done, here's the final result.
It's not a game, it's a rich
Oh, this is too cute, like too cute. It's cute. It's cute. I don't know what to say, but it's cute. It's extra cute. So yeah. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Hope y'all make this because this is cute, and I hope y'all try to make other stuff out of, you know, not designer, but like brands, Nike, Polo, Adidas, stuff like that. Just make something plain into something cute. So yeah, comment down below which one y'all like the best, and like this video, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next one. Bye.